Good morning, everybody. On this Thursday morning, November 11th, it's Veterans Day, and dense fog is the big issue this morning, the foggiest morning we've had in a couple of weeks. We'll talk about that first up and how the weather will improve by 11 o'clock this morning when the parade starts in downtown Montgomery. Lots of good information on this video. A cold front is on the way. Chilliest temperatures of the season so far by this weekend. I'll tell you when the next significant storm system arrives, and by the end of the video, an update on El Nino and how El Nino is going to affect us this winter. Dense fog advisory till 8 o'clock in the morning, central and South Alabama. Some of the airports are reporting visibility near zero this morning. It's going to be a tough morning commute. So until the dense fog advisory lifts at around 8 o'clock this morning, visibility down to a quarter of a mile or less in some cases. Take it easy. Then nice after that, nice over much of the east. There's a big storm in the middle of the country and a blizzard right now in portions of Colorado and Wyoming. A blizzard. And maybe some thunderstorms later. Dense fog advisory for us, then mostly sunny skies on this Veterans Day with a high around 75. Low tonight down to about 60. South winds at 5 to 11 miles per hour today. Here's the map at midday today. You can see the big storm in the middle of the country developing. Still nice around us, but clouds will be increasing by evening. There's the Storm Prediction Center with a enhanced risk of severe weather. Portions of Illinois and Missouri and Iowa today where the chances of severe weather are pretty significant, 30% within any point within 25 miles of any point in that area. And maybe some tornadoes as well. 6 o'clock in the morning, the front is weakening, so no severe weather for us tomorrow morning as the front comes into northwest Alabama. There's a radar snapshot at 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. Just a few spotty showers with the front moving through central Alabama. I don't think it's going to be a big deal, not even any thunder. Breezy, much cooler air on Friday. You see all those lines? It's going to be a very fall-like day Friday. Saturday morning, you see the blue line there? That's the 35-degree line. There could be some extensive areas of frost across portions of east central and central Alabama. Same thing on Sunday morning. So for a lot of us, it could be our first frosty start to the day. We'll say 65 for a high on Friday, breezy and cool. Saturday's high only around 61, but look at that. Upper 30s Saturday morning, upper 30s Sunday morning. So it's going to be a chilly weekend, but a very nice fall weekend. Here's Wednesday of next week, another big storm system coming in. In fact, the rain arrives on Tuesday and leaves on Thursday, another big deal storm system. So 70s next couple of days, and then upper 30s by Saturday and Sunday morning, and then we peak again later on next week as temperatures start to moderate. If you care, there is a hurricane this morning in the Atlantic. Hurricane Kate is well off the U.S. coastline and moving out into the open waters of the Atlantic, only a concern to fish. On this Veterans Day 2015, we pause to remember and appreciate and thank all of the veterans, past and present. There may only be one day a year called Veterans Day, but we think about you all the time. We appreciate your sacrifice and your service to this great nation. I'm thankful for several veterans in my family. My dad served in the South Pacific, World War II, in the Seabees, U.S. Navy. Brothers Hal and Dennis both served in Vietnam. Here's an incredible picture of them actually meeting in Vietnam in 1969. In fact, Hal, Major Harold R. Marcellet, served 2 terms in Vietnam, one as a Huey helicopter pilot, several combat missions. He's highly decorated, and last year he was buried with full honors at Arlington National Cemetery, the most hallowed ground anywhere in this country. So veterans, all of you, on your day, we say thank you for your sacrifice, your service to keep this land of ours safe. Thank you. It took a while for the sunshine to finally arrive yesterday afternoon, but boy, when it got here, it was wonderful. And this is a good time for me to remind you, with this strong El Nino pattern coming up this winter, sunshine is going to be at a premium. I mean, we're going to see storm system after storm system after storm system, a lot of rain. Well, look what we've had since Halloween. 2 major storm systems with several inches of rain, and it looks like another significant storm system potentially next week. That's what El Nino means across the South. I hope you have a great hump day. Your next video will be online by tomorrow morning at 6 o'clock.
Rich Thomas weather.